Word RX. The word is medicine.
So I wrote here, to understand what sin is, you must first understand the nature of God and righteousness. God is one. God is holy and absolutely righteous. His nature is righteousness. Righteousness is that nature of God that distinguishes him to be perfect, infallible, inerrant, just, and good. God reveals and demonstrates his righteousness to man through his words and acts of love. Sin, therefore, as taught by Jesus, is any act or deliberate thought which contravenes his righteousness as revealed. Good or evil and right or wrong are judged by the very nature of God. See, you can tell what is good or what is evil, what is right or what is wrong, except by the nature of God. That's amazing. See, you can't leave the judgment of right and wrong to society, because that constantly changes. Now, for example, they tell you that it's LGBTQI, whatever. They say it's now right. How can that be right? You judge in your own mind. How can that be right? Even those in the community know it's wrong. Those in the LGBTQI community, they know it's wrong. Some of them are doing it for political reasons. They know it's terrible. They know it's wrong. Their conscience tells them it's wrong. But they try to shut down their conscience. You have to have lost your mind to not know it's wrong. They know it's wrong. But they're trying to not pay attention to their conscience, because the conscience is the voice of the human spirit. So the very nature of God judges good or evil, right or wrong. To express righteousness, I'm still reading the note, listen to this. To express righteousness and goodness, God reveals his nature and will to man. Therefore, righteousness is the expression of the will and nature of the Father. Wow. It's so simple, but extraordinarily profound.
To watch and get other related messages from Pastor Chris, kindly explore the Pastor Chris Digital Library, available on the LoveWorld App Store.